How to save Reels on Instagram without posting. Open Instagram and sign into your account. Then tap on Reels icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select any reel that you want to save without posting. Then tap on aeroplane like icon at the right corner of the screen. Here tap on add to story button. Then after that you can customize this reels also. You can add another music, add text, stickers and many more with the top icons. Then after that tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on save button. Wait until the video or reel has been processing. Then as you can see that the video has successfully saved. So that is how we easily save reels without posting them. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.